Welcome to today's video where I'm exposing why your YouTube videos aren't working and how to rank your videos fast. Are you struggling with YouTube ranking? Low views, no engagement? No matter what you do, your videos never make it to the top? If that sounds familiar, stick around because today I'm giving you the formula to rank your videos on YouTube first page consistently. And more importantly, if you stay until the end, I have exclusive bonuses worth $15,000 that will help you get way more traffic, leads, and signups for your business. Now, who am I? My story and why this works? Before we get into this exact ranking strategy, let me introduce myself because I've been in the make money online space for about 12 years. For years, I struggled to find a system that actually worked, something that could help me rank on YouTube and build a team that duplicated success. Recently, I cracked the code, and let me tell you, even my first video ranked on the first page of YouTube, and every single one since has followed. As a matter of fact, on high ranking searches with the high volume, my stuff is over videos with over millions. Okay, now I have to share something personal. My wife's life changed forever when she was hit by a car. She was hit by a car going over 45 miles an hour right in front of me. She was done with her week, I believe, on November 20th, and she is still in a rehabilitation center to this day, fighting just to learn how to walk. This is written from my son's perspective. It is a GoFundMe, and it's only raised about $445. But I don't want to thank you. I'm not trying to focus on the money. I'm focused on the fact that you need to, obviously you have a problem if you're searching for this rank term. You want to rank your videos. You want to get volume. You want to see get your stuff seen. You want to have a chance to get seen by YouTube and to get pushed, But obviously you're struggling. So these are the injuries for my wife. And again, this is not about the injuries. It's about the fact that your tomorrow's not promised. Anything can happen. You could lose your job. Who wants to be working till the 70, etc., etc.? Who wants to retire making 40% of what wasn't enough in the first place right now? Now, this is from my son's perspective again. On November 20th, my mom was struck by a car while crossing the street, attempting to catch the bus home from the night shift at Golden Gate Petroleum in Reno, Nevada. The accident left her with severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdural hematoma with a blood clot in her brain that doctors are closely monitoring. Yeah, so tomorrow's not promised. I know my wife did not plan on getting hit. She did not plan on being in the hospital for this long. But things happen. Life happens. Life is going to life. So, that moment made me realize how fragile life is. And it pushed me to find a way to achieve financial freedom while helping others to do the same. That's why I'm here, to help you rank your YouTube videos, build a thriving online business, and duplicate success for you and your team. Okay? Now let's get into why most YouTubers never rank and how you can fix it today. Okay? Mistake number 1, you're ignoring long tail keywords. High ranking keywords. How to rank YouTube videos fast. Best video tags for ranking on YouTube. YouTube keyword search for small channels. We break this down to you and to a science in our system. Like, we give you the keywords, we give you the titles, we give you the descriptions, we give you the framework on how to get backlinks from your social media. This is all free stuff you can implement once you're in the system, okay? Mistake number 2, poor watch time optimization. YouTube does prioritize engagement. This is not true, though. Your audience must stay for at least 50% of the video, and I'll prove this in just a moment, okay? You do want to use cliffhangers or call to actions, hooks, pattern interrupt, which is you can use visual or audio hooks that keep viewers engaged. Mistake number 3, weak titles and descriptions. We help fix this for you. YouTube SEO secrets to make more money online. When your title, subscription, and engagement metrics work together, YouTube will start pushing your videos to more people. Okay, you don't have to take my word for it. Our team members are already ranking their videos and getting results. This is real world proof and team member results, okay? So I'm going to look in the most difficult one to rank for. As you can see, rank your YouTube video fast. Now that's exact keyword. Okay, so I'm going to change it a little bit. Okay, as you can see though, I want to show you this is the most important part. Well, I don't know how that happened. Okay, see, mine only has 8 views in 5 days. Okay, when I made this video, right? Now look at this. These sponsored ones do not count. Okay, number 1 ranked video with 8 views. Now watch this. 8.1 million views. And you can see this is incognito mode, okay? YouTube SEO Basics, 177,000 views. Mr. Beast 2, 4.8 million views. This is 1.6 million views. 1.9, this is the lowest, 1,900 views, okay? 1.9 million views. 28,000 views. 18,000 views, 122,000 views, okay? These are high channels with high authority that's got tons of views. Mine has 8 views, okay? I'm going to look at a different one, and then I'm going to look at what our team is doing, okay? So we're going how to SEO. I'm going to show you multiple keywords here. So, how YouTube SEO, we're going to copy the whole thing, right? And we're going to go with a partial keyword, okay? There's my video, okay? In the middle, so that one didn't rank 1, but it's still ranked in the top 10 or so. And again, 700,000 views, 264,000 views, 81,000 views, 88,000 views, 373,000 views, 34,000 views, 170,000 views. And there's mine, right? Right next to Dan the Creator. These are high profile channels. Mine has 15 views. Okay? So this obviously works. Now I'm going to go to our team views. One more second. The whole thing was, so I'm going to show one more time, how to rank your videos fast. Okay. I'm going to check one more thing. Not guaranteeing I'll be here, but yep, I am. Okay, so this doesn't count. 1. This is another, okay, so 1, 2, that's a sponsored. 3, 4th video. Okay, so now I'm going to go to our team. Affiliate Manner View. And actually, I'm still in incognito mode. Okay, this is real world. This isn't bullshit. Okay. Postcard Lifestyle. This is this whole playlist on our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Michael De La Cruz. Okay. Charles N. Dukes. These are all, when I'm naming them, they're on our team. Charles N. Dukes. Mr. Orange Dream. Make Money Online with JJ. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a short, the number 1 short that's recommended. This guy's been in the program for about 2 or 3 days. Okay. Obviously it works. 5, 6, 7. 7 of the top 9 videos. That's domination to me. And we're going to look on compensation plan. That's a sponsored video. It does not count. That's another sponsored video. So there's me. Make Money Online with JJ. There's Postcard Lifestyle. There's me again. There's Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Brian Zittelman again 2 days ago. I think his second video, first video overall. This is a short actually. This is his first video. He made a video and he made a short. 77 views, by the way. There's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. Are you getting the picture? Postcard Lifestyle. We're dominating YouTube, and there's another video by me, okay? We are dominating YouTube. How do you win Monopoly? You get key properties, and then you put little houses on them. Then another house, then another house, then a hotel. Okay? That is what we are doing. And you could do this for any business. It's not just about affiliate mentor. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. I'm going to show you what else we do. Okay? No matter what video thing you're in, okay? I think it's if you're in you get access to this, I believe. But I think it's $50 or above, but I could be wrong. But the ranking stuff with YouTube, no matter what level you go in, no matter what level. So $25 will get you in, and this is worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This was the most important thing I wanted. Okay, so so what I'm going to, this is the YouTube syndication group. This is a bonus we offer. Okay, now this is what. Search the video keyword on YouTube and scroll till you find the member's video. This creates organic search. This isn't implemented yet. We had it and he lost his account. Okay? Watch the video all the way through with your volume slightly up. Watch 5 videos at a time. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video. That's just YouTube. We have this in 3 different things. This is the Reels. Same concept, okay? Pick a reel and like the video. Comment on the reel. The blog. And then we have one with all the different social medias. So we will do this for your thing, and this will even increase exponentially, like taking it to the 10th power, okay? Get you views, get you watch time, get you CTR, get you everything you need that YouTube craves and Google craves. So we're going to take our shit on and put it on steroids. We're going to put our shit that's already working and put it on steroids. This is all you need right here. This is all I'm using every single day, okay? This is the only thing I'm using, and this is the basic system you get for even $25, I believe, but definitely $50, okay? $50 a month. But I believe you can get this for $25, okay? Set up your system, get branded funnel, have us build your brand, make your first YouTube video, start marketing. This will rank any video. Any video for any company. Okay? If you just want to learn how to rank your videos, you can use this. It doesn't matter if you're in our program or not, okay? And you can get another income stream for you, okay? Add video to Facebook, do Facebook marketing, email video to list, add a video to autoresponder, your daily profit steps, 150 email swipes, okay? How to make $1,000 a day, okay? And this is the more, I'm not even using this stuff though yet. Give me a second. Simple Freedom Warriors, okay? This is the gold mine, but I haven't even gotten to that yet. Why your YouTube videos aren't working, rank your YouTube fast. So now it's your turn to fix this problem. How to do it is text me at 775-460-7938 to get started. Click the first link today in the description to join today. Drop a comment. What was your biggest takeaway from this video? Like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. This is why your YouTube videos aren't working. Rank your videos fast. And now you have the formula to win. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friend in neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get what you did today. And I'm going to show you again. Number 1. Okay. On all these keywords. Okay. Again, rank your videos fast. These are millions, by the way. This one right here. 2.4 million views, 1.9 million views, 28,000. Even Mr. Beast, I think, was in this one. You can do this. You can do this. Just stay consistent and follow our team training, and you can win. This is JJ Saleh signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.